Hi families, it's Miss Ty. I wanted to let you know that this math lesson is for level 2, WS and LG, and then it is also for level 3, for all of level 3. And so what we're going to be doing is to be teaching 2 different levels at once, and at the end I'm going to tell you how to specialize it for your child, okay? All right, so let's get ready. Hi friends! Wow, there are a lot of us in our group today. Today we have level 2 and level 3 doing math together. Are you ready? Let's get started. The first thing I want to know is, how are you doing? What song are you in? Thank you for telling me. Today, guess what? I am happy. That means I'm in the green zone. I am happy and I am ready to learn. Would you like to see what we're going to be doing today? All right, here we go. Look. Whoa, today we are having computer class. What are we going to be doing in computer class today? Today we are all going to be doing math. We're doing math together today. So what are we going to be talking about? Today we're going to be talking about two things. So one of the things we're going to be talking about is we're going to be talking about less, more, and the same. And then the other thing we're going to be talking about is we're going to be using our big vocabulary words, and we're going to be talking about less than, greater than, and equal to. And so families, we have level 2 has been working on more, less, and same. We just started pulling them up to doing less than, greater than, and equal to. So have them join in with us, okay? Here we go, friends. Look what I have for you today. Today, I have a book for us to read. Look, the title of our book is Just Enough Carrots. Can you find the title for me, please? Yes, good looking. Just enough carrots. You are so very smart. The next thing I want to show you is the author's name. Look down here. The author's name is Stuart J. Murphy. What does the author do? Yeah, he writes the words, or she writes the words. In this case, it's a boy. And if it's a boy, we say he. All right, can you find the author's name for me, please? Look at it. There it is. Stuart J. Murphy. Well, how do we get our story started? We need to open our book. Let's get going. Ooh, look at that. I see a bunch of carrots. Ooh, wait a minute. Let's look at this picture. This picture says, just enough carrots. And look what I see. I see a store. And then I see Mama and Bunny going to the store. What kind of store do you think that is? What kind of store would we buy carrots at? Oh, you are so smart. Look, it is a grocery store. I see a picture of Bird and he has a shopping cart. Mom and little Rabbit are going to the grocery store. So let's see what they do at the grocery store. Now, boys and girls, I want to let you know we are not going to finish this book today. It is going to take us more than one day to finish this book. So we're going to start it now and then we'll finish it on another day, okay? Here we go. Let's get started. I want you to look at the pictures while I'm reading out loud. Little Rabbit and his mother went to the grocery store to buy carrots. Little Rabbit loves carrots. He wants his mother to buy more carrots than anything. If you love carrots, raise your hand. I love carrots. Let's see what he does. Here we go. I want some more carrots. I really like carrots. When you eat them, you munch and you crunch. Oh, look at that. Little Rabbit loves carrots. Okay, I'm going to turn my page to keep my story going. I know there are others who have many more carrots, but we have just one little bunch. Well, look at that. Rabbit only has one little bunch. Look over there. Look how many carrots Horse has. Let's look at that. I'm going to pull you up close so that you can see what I'm doing. Here we go. Horse had this many carrots. Little Rabbit had this many carrots. Let's compare them. All right. Do you remember? How do we compare them? We're going to cross out to see if one of them has more, right? All right, so we're going to start watching Miss Ty. Remember, I'm going to start at the top. Top, bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom. Wait a minute. Look, this one has some left over. That means this one had more. This one was Horse. This one was Little Rabbit. Who had more? Yes, Horse had more. Let's see how else we could write that. Let's see how many Horse had. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Horse had 12 carrots. Let's see how many carrots Little Rabbit had. 1, 2, 3, 4. Little Rabbit had 4 carrots. I wonder, what symbol goes here? I heard you. You're right. Remember, can we tell our friends? The alligator eats which number? The big number. That's right. So I'm going to make my alligator come and look. He's going to eat the bigger number. Could you read this with me? My turn first. Then read it with me. Miss Ty, get ready. 12 is greater than 4. Your turn. Get ready. 12 is greater than 4. Oh, you did a great job. We saw that Horse had more carrots. He had 12 carrots, and 12 is greater than 4. All right, since you're gone, I'm not with you. I'm going to have to erase all by myself. Oh, I miss my friends helping me so very much. All right, let's keep seeing what happens in our story. Here we go. Yes, Horse has more carrots. High five, guys. We were right. Horse had more. Way to go. But let's look at this one. Look, Little Rabbit has 1, 2, 3, 4 carrots. Bird has 1, 2, 3, 4 carrots. I wonder, is that less than? Is that greater than, or is that the same? Let's look and see. Here we go. Finished with horse. We're going to take it away. All right, so let's see. Bird had 4 carrots. Little rabbit had 4 carrots. This one is bird. And this one is little rabbit. All right, now let's compare them to see if there's any left over. Are you ready? What do? We start at the top. That's right. Here we go. Ready? Top, top, bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom. We don't have any left over. If there are none left over, then they have the same. Yes, that's the same. What's another way we could write that? Let's count and find out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bird had 4 carrots. Let's count little rabbits. 1, 2, 3, 4. Little rabbit had 4 carrots. Look, 4 and 4. They're the same. Yeah, they're the same. So if they're the same, what symbol goes there? Yes, equal. I heard you say that, smart level 3 kids. So can you help me read it? I'm going to read it first, and then you read it afterwards. Ready? 4 is equal to 4. Your turn. Get ready? 4 is equal to 4. What? You all are so very smart. Look at that. Oh, well, let's see what happens next. We don't have much longer. We're about to run out of time, so we got to keep working. Look, 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 so we can get our earned free time. Look. Bird has the same amount as little rabbit. High five, guys. We got it right. All right, now let's look at the next one. Oh, look at little rabbit. He has 1, 2, 3, 4 carrots. But elephant only has 1. We need to compare, don't we? We need to look to see how many they each have. I'm going to put elephant there at the top. We're going to put bunny at the bottom. And now we need to switch this so we know that this is how many carrots elephant had. All right, are you ready to compare? How do we compare? That's right, we need to cross out. So let's get ready. Here we go. Ready? Start at the top, top, bottom. Wait a minute. Look at that. Little rabbit has some carrots left over. If little rabbit has carrots left over, then does elephant have less, more, or the same carrots as little rabbit? He has less. You're right. He has less carrots because little rabbit had some left over. Well, let's write that out another way. Are you ready? Those level 2 kids are so smart. I love it. All right, let's see how many. How many does elephant have? Elephant has 1. How many does little rabbit have? He has 1, 2, 3, 4. He has 4. All right. If elephant has 1 and little rabbit has 4, what symbol goes there? I heard you. I heard you say that 4 is the bigger number. So the alligator is going to eat the 4, and we know that if it's pointing this way, the little pointy side is pointing that way, that means less than. Yes, it means less than. So I'm going to read it first, and then I want you to read it with me. Miss Ty first. Ready? 1 is less than 4. Now read it with me all together. Get ready. 1 is less than 4. Wow, you all did the best job. I am so very proud of you. Way to go. So the next thing I'm going to do is, since we just finished math with someone, I'm going to show your parents what you need to do for math by myself. And since you did all of your work with Miss Ty, and as soon as you finish math by myself, what will you get? That's right, you're going to get earned free time. We always get earned free time after we do our work. So remember, parents always earn free time after they finish their work. So they'll need to do math with by myself, and then they'll get earned free time. We do 5 minutes. You can do longer, and I would encourage you to. But what I want to do real quick before you guys leave, kids, you can go ahead and play. I'm going to talk to your parents for just a second, or you could go do a sensory activity. That would be a good one. Use one of your tools. So families, what I want to show you is what I would like for them to do for math by myself. So everyone has this template in their packets, the packets that I sent home. What I want you to do, because I don't think yours are laminated, is to put them in the reusable pouch that I sent you. That way you can write on them. If you write on that paper copy, it's no good anymore. You can only use it for one problem. So please put it in the reusable pouch. And then what I want you to do is this. If you are in level 2, your child is level 2, so that would be WS or LG. What I want you to do is you have these or something similar to these in your pouches, in your packets that I sent. I want you to put this on the table. I'm having to stick mine up there, but put yours on the table. I want you to put one amount on one side, and then I want you to put a different amount on the other side, and then you're going to ask your child which one has more, which one has less, or are they the same? And then what your child is learning is they are learning to count and then write the number, and then count and write the number. And then they are doing the alligator eating the bigger number. So in this case, 5 is bigger, it is more. So the alligator is going to eat the number, and then we say 5 is greater than 1, and then we stress that for them. And then they read it back to us like I did. Now, for our smarties up in level 3, your kids have been doing this longer. They are past these manipulatives. In fact, where they are, I'd like you to work with them on the numbers 1 to 100, 1 to 100. And so what you're going to do is very different. You are going to do something like 91 and 100. And then what we want the child to do is to put the correct symbol in the middle, and then read the sentence to you. And again, that's numbers 1 through 100, so we don't really care what numbers you put in. We would like you to do some that are within the same decade, so like 90 and 95. We'd also like to do some across decades, so do, 87 and 97. So that's where we are, families. I am so thankful for all you are doing to help education go, because I know it's not easy. I'm trying to work and homeschool a kid too, so I understand how difficult it is. So thank you all so very much. I miss you. If you need anything, give me a call. You have my number. It'd actually be better to text or email me. But anyway, I appreciate you. I miss you, and I can't wait until the kids get back with us so we can all do math together. Love you all. Talk to you later. Bye.